Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for Friday, October the 31st of 2025. Happy Halloween to everyone on this spooky day. If you ever wondered why your trading results aren't improving even though you think you understand price action, this video might change everything. And here's the thing. At our member site, we teach professional level price action reading, but we also have bonus videos. And there's a bonus video that to me stands out above all the others that Darko posted earlier this year. In it, he issues a simple challenge using our swing break pattern. No indicators, no confusion, none of that kind of stuff, just one pattern. Okay? Follow this challenge for a few months as he suggests, and you'll see exactly why it really does have the potential to be a turning point in your trading. Have a listen.
Hi guys, Darko here for a quick bonus video about structure damage. This is nothing new. You have been seeing this like million of times. I was actually doing this, producing this screenshot for TikTok. I'm, doing some TikTok videos, short videos like 3, 4, 5 minutes and post them. And I said, why not just make summarizing like everything that I did on TikTok on one video for my clients as well. Like I said, this is what I'm drilling on in the PMAs, but I want to emphasize, because we have most of my clients, or not most of them, like people joining our service because they want to evolve as a trader. Okay, we always think that trading must be hard. Well, trading is not that hard if you don't make it that hard for yourself. Okay, so we all know that we are combining different time frames. I'm showing you the best time frame for the best results. Okay, so what I do want to show you, and let's just assume that you are a struggling trader. You are not a stage 4 trader. You don't have consistent basis. Okay, I urge you, like I want you to do this one thing that I'm showing you for 3 months. Okay, what is 3 months in your life? Like I have clients that has been like struggling for 15 years. They join my service and they say, oh geez, I didn't know anything about trading for the past 15 years. And I'm not kidding you. We had like one member, he typed me a private message and he said, Darko, like geez, I've been doing this for 15 years. I've been doing things wrong. So if you give me 3 months of your life doing only this, nothing else, and don't worry if you miss thousands of trades, don't worry about them. Okay, and I don't care if you are micro scalper or position trader or investor. Okay, so you identify trend on your higher time frame, support and resistance trend, nothing new, right? This is your higher time frame, could be any time frame. Okay, and now you are marking a key level of support and resistance, like a strong, a level that makes sense to you based on what I teach. The criteria for marking a significant neckline. And if you don't have the, unsure, make it identical neckline. You are using 2 time frames. Like for the long term, we are using monthly and weekly. Okay. For day trading, you are using weekly and daily. Okay, for scalping I assume that you are using daily plus 4 hour. Okay, use identical necklines. Let's just say that you are not a stage 4 trader. Use identical necklines, monthly, weekly, identical neckline for long term, weekly, daily for day trading, daily 4 hour for scalping. Nothing else. If it's not identical, don't trade it. Okay, you have a bias. Price is coming down into your level of support, identical neckline. Okay, price is making lower high, lower low. Okay, we make another lower high and a lower low. Now we are in your zone, your support level. Your identical neckline is somewhere in here. Okay, and then the only thing that I want you to focus on, and obviously this is swing break rotation. Okay, I want you to focus on when price is making higher high, higher close. Okay, higher high, higher close, and this preferably needs to be a lower low, lower close. Obviously I'm talking about rotation. Okay, if rotation is the only pattern you are trading, identical necklines for the next coming 3 months, okay? Once you see a structure damage, okay, once price is making that lower low, lower close at your support level, and now we are making a higher high, higher close on your entry time frame, okay? If that identical neckline is like monthly, weekly, well, the weekly is the 4 hour, right? Is your entry time frame. If it's a weekly and daily, well, the daily is the hourly is the entry time frame, okay? This is the 4 hour, the entry time frame. And if you are watching daily and 4 hour, it's identical, then your entry time frame is the 15-minute chart, right? 15-minute chart. Okay, so I want you to see that rotation on your entry time frame with the identical necklines. Once you see that, well, you draw a fib from the lowest point to the highest point, the 618 fib or the support level, whatever comes first. That's your pending order, and you use this as your the natural stop with the low stop loss. And obviously you will use hands-on, hands-off trade management based on if you are trading with the trend, against the trend, or if there is no trend, you are purely trading support or resistance. That's it. That's one thing that I want you to do. And you will see ACATs, you will see, set and forgets, you will see lots of trades being, don't care about them. I did one thing for an entire year. The rest is history, right? Make that change. Give me 3 months of your life, okay? Your time. And obviously, if you are swing trade or long-term trading, maybe 3 months is too short. But if you are day trading and scalping, that's, way too good. It's plenty of times, okay? For long-term trading, start with 3 months. I promise you, I guarantee you, you will see results. Prove me wrong. What do you have to lose, okay? And this is not about, maybe I should stop saying prove me right. This is not about like proving me wrong or right. I'm here to help you. So help me to help you, okay? Or help yourself. So let's go to the charts. And obviously some of these trades we didn't take them because I was busy with something else, okay? This is Euro Swissy. We took this trade, okay? So now price is hitting your support level, okay? This was a level that I pointed out way price went there. Just go back and really listen to the PMAs, okay? And now you see this lower low, lower close, and this higher high, higher close, okay? And this was the neckline, whatever the 618 fib is with the lower low stop loss, okay? Next one is Euro Yen. I think we missed this trading opportunity for whatever reason. This is the entire purpose, is to see how does this looks like on your charts, okay? So this was definitely a level of support, okay? Obviously the line's not working. Actually, I got the feedback from TradingView. They are working on it, okay? Let's see here. Just give me 1 sec. Sorry about that. So level of support, okay? Super obvious. Level of support. Price hits that level, okay? This low, close below this low, okay? And this high, close above all the highs here. So we have two closes. This is the neckline. You draw your fib, whatever comes first, you take that trade with the lower low stop loss, okay? Let's go to, actually, this is one of, I usually see this as a school example of what I teach, okay? This is copper. I'm not trading copper, okay? Yeah, I'm not sure if I even pronounced that correctly, but you get my point, okay? Price is retracing back into a level of support, okay? And let's see here if the lines are correctly. Geez, this TradingView issue is big trouble, okay? It seems to be okay to me right now. Okay, and this is a monthly chart, okay? price hits this level. See this high? You see this swing? You see how this swing made a lower low, lower close, and this high made a higher high, higher close. This is the neckline. Okay, draw a fib, whatever comes first, with the lower low stop loss aiming to the upside. Okay, and if I go to oil, and this is obviously, this is live trading. Okay, we are at support, and this is a monthly level, right? It is a monthly level to start with, and I also see that this is also a weekly level. I will get to that shortly. So let's just start with the monthly level. Obviously this monthly candle is not fixed. It will be fixed 2 days from now. Okay, so even if this closes like this, and this is not about ACATs, right? It's about rotation only, rotate, not even swing break, rotation only. Okay, price is making a lower high. Where are we heading up to? Look left. That's why price stopped. Price is making another lower low, lower close. We never did a higher high, higher close. Okay, we could be doing it shortly, like, you know, within the next coming weeks, but right now there is nothing there, so price would probably heading more down, making a new lower low. Okay, and let's just say that you are, let me just remove this line and do a new line, so price will be, because of the issue of trading view right now, that happens. Okay, so let's just see where did you have, we all see that we this is the last level where price made a lower low, lower close. Okay, then we are double bottoming ish. So if I mark this level, price never made a higher high, higher close until in here. And now, you know, the move is more or less over. We are hitting an opposing level because price is, you know, having selling pressure. So you want to get, you know, the entry is like as soon as possible. You see this lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. I see this one as well. But generally speaking, this is what I do see happening. Okay, so therefore, and this is live analysis, and I'm obviously doing live analysis every single week. The entire idea with this is, you know, going back to this picture, do only rotation at key levels of support and resistance, combine the time frame combinations that I'm teaching you, 2 time frames below, trading rotation for the next coming 3 months. Okay, I know we had similar challenges, and this is not a challenge. This is more like, just do one thing. That's all I ask you for. Do one thing and become the best in the world trading rotation. Okay, and that could be happening, you know, in the middle of the chart where you have, you know, the continuation stuff, when you have support and resistance, a new level of support and resistance, and prices like breaching that level, etc., etc. Obviously the drill is within the PMAs. And this is something that I'm trying to emphasize on social media, because people are not familiar with everything that I teach. So I'm trying to make things like even more simple and easier, just to make sure that, okay, just do this. And every time I see this, whether I took that trade or I missed that trade, I take the mic and, you know, try to have an educational video around these key levels, and also drilling the foundation of rotation and, you know, the structured damage. Hopefully at least someone listens and try to apply this in their live trading and see some results. That's everything that I want you to do. See some results, because once you get encouraged, then you continue doing, you get rewarded, then you do more of it, and you just, you know, apply the knowledge, and you also being rewarded to stick to that one thing, because every time you do anything outside of this, you lose money. And every time you stick with the rules, you have probability losses for sure, but the vast majority of your trades are winning. So that's what I want you to see, results, so you get rewarded to do the right behavior more and more and more, and that's how you shift from being a struggling trader to becoming a consistent, profitable trader. Hope this makes sense. Thank you so much for listening, and I will talk to you soon. Cheers.
So can you see just how simple and yet powerful this challenge really could be? Because you can prove to yourself that it works. The only question now is whether you'll actually commit to trying it and have the discipline to follow through with it. At the end of the day, if you're serious about improving your trading results and you're tired of, guessing and jumping systems and all that kind of stuff, maybe, just maybe, it's time to finally take another approach, a proven methodology. This approach is what we teach. It's very easy to learn and it works. Actually, last week I showed you this pattern on oil, how it was used to pick up a 10-to-1 reward risk trade on oil. Same pattern. So look, we didn't just come up with this pattern yesterday. We use it for a very long time. The hard part is almost always psychological. But, you have to start somewhere. And we would be just honored to help you get going. Okay? So, we'll leave it at that. Have a great weekend, everyone. Great trading week ahead. Please contact me if you have any questions at all. And be sure to leave a comment. Thank you so much. Take care.